Now let's talk about quotation mark. Okay, so whenever you are using a string value, you use quotation marks to have that content within that quotation mark, right? So for example, I'm having a string str. Okay, I've been using this. So let me comment everything from above. Then we can use it nicely. I've used the str at the top. Okay, so now let me add str1 equals to some value, that is JavaScript mastermind. Okay, this is a statement that I've written. Then I'm just logging it here of str1. When I save over here, what I get, I get JavaScript mastermind. So irrespective, so I gave single quotes, it converted to double quotes because I'm using prettier, so it is the automatically converting. But the answer will be the same whether I use a double quote or a single quote. The problem happens when we have a uh, apostrophe s kind of content. For example, I will write some things in single quote like JavaScript mastermind, right? Now the browser will not, editor is not understanding what is this. Like it considers this as part of the string and doesn't know what to do with the second part. It doesn't understand what is the second part, right? Because of this apostrophe that we are using over here. Okay. So to solve this problem, what we have to do is that we have to add a double quotes over here at the beginning and at the end. Then this issue can be solved. Okay. This is an issue called solved. But then what you can do one more thing, that you can use single quote only, but then you have to add that so you have to avoid this apostrophe s. So for that you have to give this slash symbol to avoid it, right? This is a special character. But ideally we should use double quotes for this kind of value where there is an apostrophe. Okay, so always use double quotes yeah, like this. That will ensure that the apostrophe also comes into picture. Now when we save it, you get JavaScript master. Okay. Next now let's talk about string concatenation. So concatenation means addition, right? String concatenation means addition of string or concatenating two strings. Okay. Now let create a string. Let create something called first name. Okay. First name, let it be JavaScript mastermind. Okay. JavaScript, and so you can use double quote or single quote, anything. Let us last name is mastermind. Now I want to concatenate these two strings. Okay, so what I have to do, just let me log this. So I will write here my full name is, okay, so this is a string. Basically I have to concatenate this string with the two variables which has values as string as well. So I have to just write plus first name plus some space, then last name. Okay, now when I save, what I get, my full name is JavaScript mastermind. Okay, now what we can do here, we can create one more variable instead of doing a, and here we can do first name plus space plus last name. Okay, and here what we do, just remove everything and then do a comma or not comma. You can write here full name. Okay, when I save, I get the same result. Okay, and if I give you one more example, let's comment all this out. So let me say that I'm having I want to navigate between different websites. So let it be, okay, let it be YouTube. Okay, now when I want to navigate to YouTube, what I have to type the address, right? So the domain basically that will be http www. Okay. Now, so when I log it, what I'll have? So address. Now I'm concatenating plus website. Okay. Plus dot com. When I save it, what I get? www dot, this will be dot. Okay, now you get this site over here. So which means that the website is common over here, right? So I can give Gmail, YouTube, Google, anything I can give, right? That flexibility is there. So this is how we concatenate or add strings and display over here. Okay. There is one more way in which you can concatenate string, that is by using backticks. But I will share this technique later when we go detail into string. I will share this thing later using backticks how can concatenate strings. So let's go to the next video.